Yo, what's up guys, Juka here, welcome back to another video. Today guys, I'm going to tell you guys how I made $162 day trading the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. And today was a pretty shitty day. We have problems with Top Step, so with my phone, with the platform itself, so I had a lot of issues closing trades and I lost a lot of money due to it, but hey, made it all back and finished the day with $162. So let's go first to our daily bias and our draws on liquidity, and then I'll go through the trades if I can. I can't see shit, bro. I can't see shit. Fucking hell, bro. How am I going to tell you guys what to see if I cannot see shit? So I'll see the best I can, because this is a mess, but I cannot delete it, otherwise I'll not be able to explain it. So we have 4 hour highs, I guess. This is 4 hour highs, 4 hour lows, and we have this 1 hour low, 1 hour low, 1 hour highs, 1 hour lows, whatever. That's basically it. There's session highs, there's session lows, which have been swept on Lowland sessions. So yeah, I don't really care about that. Market opens, the most important thing is really what market open does. So on market open, we sweep out Asian session highs and these hourly highs. Right on market opening, we sweep them again. And not only that, we create a bullish S&T, not only in the 1 hour time frame. I can show you that we create, because we don't sweep out these hourly highs on the ES, but on Nasdaq we do sweep them out. So yeah, Nasdaq is the lagging index, S&P 500 is the leading. Not only that, we also create a bearish 5-minute S&T. So my bias for the day was bearish, you know, up to where? Up to these hourly lows, and then long session lows probably. And that was basically my bias initially. My bias was completely bearish in this bullish S&T. So we are trading the lagging index, and I was watching this trade play off right on market opening, but because my rules are not to trade pre-market, I didn't took the trade. Not only that, when I was seeing like this movement right here, the platform of Top Step just completely went down, so I could not trade even if I wanted to, because the platform was down. I was thinking of entering and then pre-macro, but then I said, okay, I need to follow my rules. I'm going to wait for the macro. I waited for the macro, but the platform was down. So we got this movement up to filling this 1 minute level gap right here. I think this is marking some other confluence. Let me see if it's important. Maybe not. I can clean this up. It's a 5 minute level gap, but I'm going to clean that up for now. So macro opens, we fill in this 1 minute level gap. We already have liquidity sweep, break of structure, whatever. This is our continuation confluence, level gap getting filled. Reaction of the enter on that. Stop loss, you can put it above this high, just like I put it. You can put maybe a little bit, maybe a little bit higher. I put it above this high, just a little bit tight, because the candle reaction was quite strong. Enter on that, and then take profit 1 will be these hourly lows, but we are already in them. So the other hourly lows will be these 1 hour lows down here. And that was basically my bias and my trade for the day. I would have taken partials right here, so it would have been, I think, a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. Let me check. What a mess. 1-to-4 is this trade? Yep. No, wrong one. 1-to-2.75. So, you know, again, a good trade, and it would have been good. The problem was Top Step platform was down, and I did not enter on this trade. I could enter whatever on ES. I managed to enter, and I entered twice actually. So first trade was again. Okay, yeah. So my first trade was actually short out of reaction of this 1 minute level gap. Kind of reaction of that, enter on that, take profit 1 in this 5 minute lows, and I got partials on that, then got stopped on break even. And my second one was a reaction of to this 1 minute level gap down here, reaction on that, I entered on that, and boom, got stopped immediately. Top Step was a little bit down, and the platform was a little bit messy, but that wasn't really the problem. That was a bit of a problem, because I couldn't see the charts and I couldn't analyze stuff, but the problem was I wasn't seeing this 5 minute, this 1 hour level gap, this 1 hour S&T getting formed right here, but which I should have seen, especially in entering on the second trade. So I made $102 day trading. No, I actually made $95 on this first trade, on first take profit, and then a break even. And then on this trade, I lost $440. So $440, I was down 300 and something on the ES. Then what happened? This again, like, this was a super intense day. We got this bullish S&T for being formed, so these lows, these 1 hour lows, I can show you guys, were not swept on ES, but if you go to Nasdaq, smoking on the gas pack, these 1 hour lows, which are exact same lows, got swept. I can show you guys. If I draw a line, boom, right here, the lows got swept. So I can put it white so you guys can see. Boom. These lows got swept. So what does this mean? Price will probably want to move higher. Let me delete this previous trade. Will probably want to move higher. And let me put this like it was, because I'll need to journal later about both trades, so I will save them for later. So yeah, so what happened? We formed bullish SMT. Then what am I going to do? I'm going to do 1 minute time frame. What I'm waiting for, continuation confluence. Really, just I have already confirmation. All I need is a continuation one. So we move higher, move higher. I'm waiting. We got this kind of reaction, but I wasn't willing to enter on this because I was actually waiting for order block, break a block on the 1 minute to get filled. So I went back to the 5 minute. And I actually, because we went all the way up here and then went down, I was like marking equilibrium and then being patient. Like I wanted the price to move lower, filled equilibrium, super good, and then probably moving higher. So not only price filled in equilibrium and perfection, it also filled this 1 minute fair value gap. This 5 minute fair value gap is a 5 minute fair value gap. It also then from there, we got inverse fair value gap. Enter on that. I entered super low risk on this because I already lost a lot of money. So I not lost a lot of money. I lost like 300 and something. So the risk for the day was like 200 rest. So I risked 250 for the rest of the day. And yeah, I was able to make back all the losses today, which is pretty good. And then yeah, so about the entry, just really we got inverse fair value gap right here. We enter on that. Enter on this candle, stop loss below these lows, and then boom, take profit one on these 5 minute highs, take profit two on these 5 minute highs, take profit three on top of these fair value gap, on top of these 5 minute highs, or on top of this is actually 5 minute fair value gap if I'm not wrong. Yep, 5 minute candle, and yeah, take profit for all the way up here, and then final take profits all the way up here. Traded take profit 1, 2, and 3, and now it's actually moving at. Currently still running, so I could still make more money today, but nonetheless good day. And yeah, I was able to make all my losses today after not only the platform being down, which again was stressing me out, and I probably didn't see that SMT being formed because I was worried about the platform not working correctly and not being able to manage my position correctly. Not only that, in my first trade that I took these partials, I couldn't even take them correctly, so it was not as great as it should because of the platform being down. But hey, Top Step are always fair. This happened to them. They apologized multiple times, and I should probably get like some kind of compensation for this, like a free funnel or something. Those guys are actually cool for that, and yeah, especially at market open, platform going down at market open is very, very dramatic. But yeah, then for the day, letting the rest of the trade run, and that's basically it, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. Yeah, today was not a bad day, especially after the mess that I've been doing on Tuesday. I actually had to, like these few days I have been messing my risk up, and on Tuesday I messed it up like drastically. And as you guys know, there is a consistency rule which you cannot make more than 50%, like not more than 50%, like the challenge is $3,000, and your biggest winning day cannot be 50% bigger than what it should. So your best day should be maximum $1,500. I actually on Thursday I got a massive day because I miscalculated my risk, and I got a day that is way bigger than $1,500, which messed up my account, and then I was fucked. Why? Because then I would have needed to make $4,000 more because I actually messed up the risk, and I won a trade that made way more money than it should, and that's basically it. I messed up my account there. Luckily I got a free reset, which is awesome, but nonetheless, big mistake. I miscalculated my risk heavily, and I didn't see the risk being miscalculated. Again, like I've been messing up the risk lately, as you guys saw, like the days I made like $600, $700. You guys see the videos and I say, oh, I messed up the risk. I risk much lower than I should, and etc, etc, etc. And then on Tuesday I said, okay, if I'm always de-risking lower, today I'm going to put more risk because it should be correct. And I put risk, and I didn't knew it was incorrect until I closed take profit one, and it was massive values, and I'm like, okay, I messed up, and I messed up account. So yeah, that's why you didn't got any videos. I traded on Tuesday, I made $4,000, but I made $4,000. I actually blew my fucking account. I didn't blow the account, but I kind of fucked it up because of the 50% consistency rule. I kind of fucked it up. So yeah, I got a free reset, which is cool. started a new account, up $162. It's not much again, but I was able to on a negative day come back and still probably going to make way more. probably going to make more money. Let's see. It's okay still. Yeah, again, today risk was super better. And one thing I've been doing wrong was on top step. I had it in points instead of dollars, so I didn't know how much I was risking because it was on points. Why did I put it on points and not in dollars? Because when you put it in points, it's like, oh, it's going like 1 point higher, 2 points are lower. No, like it's not money. But watching the money go up and down, it's kind of messes you up, and that's why I turned it off the money to watch it. But then like these things happen when I lower the risk when I should be lowering without knowing it. And today was like much better risk management. Like I knew how much I lost, I knew how much I could risk for the day, and yeah, made it all back, which is decent. Again, could have been better, cool, but messy day, messy price action, especially because my bias was correct. And again, top step was not helping me at all, bro. I wish that the platform was a little bit better. And then again, mistakes here. This is the lagging index, and I traded the lagging index. So yeah, the leading index I should have been trading the lagging index, which was much better. My mistake, guys, and yeah, learn from it and move from it. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. You guys already know, and see you on the next one. To be honest, bye guys.